Jimmy, a young boy whose selfless heart reminds us of Jesus' command in John 15:12 and 13. This is my commandment, that ye love one another, as I have loved you. Greater love hath no man than this, that a man lay down his life for his friends. It looks so beautiful, but now my toy is broken. It's getting dark and I have to go home. It's very cold. I need some nice thick clothes to keep me warm. But my dad has no job now, so I cannot get any warm clothes. Wow, what a beautiful shop. All colored lights are on. It is beautifully decorated with toys that mums and dads might buy for their children for Christmas. I wish I could buy a little present for my sister. She is very safe and lying in bed, and a little present would cheer her up. But I do not have enough money.
I was looking for you, Jimmy. Our church is having a special Christmas program for children next week. Your name is in the list of children who are invited for the program.
Yay! I'm going to a Christmas program. Excuse me, but what about my little sister? Can she come too? She is very safe and lying in bed. And I wanted to do something special for her. If she could come to the party, she'd be very happy.
I am sorry, dear. We can only invite one person from each family.
The days flew fast, and soon it was the day of the Christmas program. Jimmy was so happy and excited. There were lots of happy children and so much food to eat. Then the children arrived with the Christmas cake. Now we are going to see a Christmas dance.
You can come to this friend and choose a present you like.
This is amazing. We can choose whatever present we want and we can keep it. I like the red dragon too. Oh, I don't know I'll stay red with me.
Sam, will you please come my friend and you may choose a present from the Christmas tree.
I would like that toy, please.
Johnny, Jimmy, what would you like to have, Jimmy? You can choose anything hanging on the tree.
Most of all, I would like that red dragon. But would you please give me that dollar instead? As Jimmy gives up his own desire to bring joy to his sister, we see a glimpse of the sacrificial love Jesus taught us. In 1 John 9-11, we are reminded, in this, the love of God was manifested toward us, that God has sent His only begotten Son into the world that we might live through Him. And this is love, not that we loved Him, but that He loved us and sent His Son to be the propitiation for our sins. Beloved, if God so loved us, we also ought to love one another. 1 John 4:9-11. Jimmy's choice of a gift for his sister, even when others don't understand, mirrors his call to love each other selflessly. Hi Jimmy, I'm so glad to see you. It's so lonely here all by myself. What is that I ask? Oh, Jim, is that for me? You're so kind. Thank you. What present did you get? Hello, ma'am.
I have come to say how sorry I am that the other children were so unkind to you, Jimmy. I told them that you chose a present for your sister instead of yourself. They are very sorry that they laughed at you. They realized that you were showing love and they were not. This is for you from the other children. They wanted to show kindness and love to you just like you showed kindness and love to your sister. I must get back to the other children now.
Susan, look at the red green that I wanted. My kindness cheered you up, Susan. But now I am even happier. Come, Susan, we will pray and thank the Lord for all His blessings. In Jesus'